What they do is they are doing many more telephone type inquiries, especially with VAT, and especially where there is a VAT refund. Then you are seeing the Inland Revenue sending out a notice letter and followed by a phone call to ask for details of invoices that have created a refund, for instance. So if someone is traditionally pays over VAT, then 1 quarter they have a refund. Now this almost always will be
triggers an investigation, does it?
They've acquired an asset or something has happened. They will carry out that inquiry over the phone. Now, our inquiry covers us to deal with that on behalf of the client. It also covers us to go and sit with the client if the Inland Revenue comes to their client premises to make inquiries on site. And sometimes the client likes to have their accountant there to tell the Inland Revenue what they can and can't do, because sometimes the Inland Revenue will take advantage of a slightly ill-informed client. Yes. And do things that they're not allowed to do. With the accountant there who knows what they can and can't do, they're very much less likely to try that one on. So our cover covers all of those things. But the main thing is where there is a major inquiry into a client's tax return or a corporation tax return that could take thousands and thousands of pounds in our time to get rid of the Inland Revenue, then our clients will be covered.
And so the longer it goes, if you aren't covered, the longer it goes, the greater the potential advisory fee, because
you would like to think
going longer and longer.
You would like to think that we have a certain reputation as a firm of submitting proper returns and accurate returns and returns that don't have an endemic issue with them. And as a result of that, we at the moment are able to keep our premiums to a reasonable level because we don't have an enormous flood of inquiries on an annual basis today. But in general, we have confidence that our returns that we submit are accurate and fully up to speed with whatever information our clients provide us with. We can't help the fact that sometimes the Inland Revenue get incorrect information from third parties, and we can't help the fact that sometimes our clients forget to tell us about something that should go on their tax return.
Sure.
Those are beyond our control, but nevertheless, we'd like to think that everything we submit, and we have a reputation for submitting accurate information.